Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Cash Building System Unlimited and what you need to be successful. So basically, let's get started. In the last video, we talked about the Cash Building System Unlimited and why you should get a website. Today we're going to be talking about how to get started and what you need in order to be successful. What you need to be successful is first you need to determine what you can spend on marketing. Put money aside that's comfortable for you. Basically, give yourself a marketing budget. No matter how small or how big it is, in order to do the postcard business, you definitely have to spend money in order to market. Why? Because you need stamps. You have to buy more postcards. And you do need direct mail leads. Once you use up the 200 postcards and leads that you get when you join the program, you are going to need to replenish that stock. Okay? So basically, set yourself up for success by setting aside a marketing budget. That could be anywhere from $5 to $10 a day. So that would either be $70 a week or $35 a week. Whatever it is, you need to have a budget. To determine how many postcards you're going to send out each week. So basically, the amount of postcards you can send out each week is based on your marketing budget. So if you say, oh, I'm going to send out 200 postcards a week, and you're going to have a marketing budget of $5 a day, that's probably not going to average out because it's going to cost you more money to send out 200 postcards a week than $35. So make sure that your goal of how many postcards you want to send out a week matches your marketing budget. Okay? Next, set up a schedule. If you are posting to social media or you're making videos, set up a schedule of when you're going to post these videos so that others can see when you're posting, so they can see what time you're posting, and when you're posting. I think it's very important that you stay on a schedule, not only for those who are following you, but as for yourself, so that you can keep that schedule and kind of get some normalcy and develop habits. Okay. Number 4, give yourself a few months of a marketing budget. Like I said, you already want to set aside how much you're going to be using on a daily basis, but make sure you give yourself a couple of months for that marketing budget. So in other words, when you decide on how much you're going to put aside each day for your marketing, make sure you're able to do that for a couple of months so that you can see success. You can't just send out, again, you cannot send out 200 postcards and expect to see results with just 200 postcards. You must build a pipeline. You must build that momentum. As with any business, you have to market. The more eyes that are on your business, the more people will see that you're in business, the more people you will attract. Another thing is to stay positive and surround yourself with like-minded people. Don't expect to see results after only, like I said, 200 postcards. Do not expect to see that. You might see other gurus come on here. I'm sorry, I'm not going to call them gurus. Let's say other people with experience who've been in the online space and have been successful in the online space see results much quicker than you or I, and that is because they've been doing this and they have a list. And I will talk to you about the importance of building a list and another video that will be coming up, so please be on the lookout for that as well. But set yourself up for the right expectations, okay? Don't try and do too much. Decide on what strategies you want to use. In other words, if you already, like myself, I have a full-time job already, so I have to fit what I can do around my schedule to make sure that I am not overwhelming myself too much in the business. So when I say don't try to do too much, what I'm saying is don't try and, let's say, mail postcards offline and then do drop cards and then post up flyers in busy areas and then come online and try to do videos, and then you want to post on social media, and then you want to post on Pinterest, and then you want to post on Facebook. It's too much. It gets to be overwhelming. And it's too much to handle, especially if you already have a full-time job, and if you're new to the space and you're not familiar with setting up systems and getting yourself into a routine. My thing is, you can't be a master at everything, so I say choose two things. Choose two things, be consistent with it, set a schedule for it, and master it. That's the best thing that you can do. Okay? That is probably the best thing that you can do for yourself. Once you master that and you have a schedule and a routine with those two things, implement another strategy that you can use to keep growing. I'm never one to say don't try other things, but let's do them in reason so that you can be successful. Because I've experienced trying to do too much at one time, getting burned out, and eventually what happens? Nothing gets done. So just to keep that in mind, don't try and do too much. If you only want to do offline marketing, find other ways to market offline besides mailing the postcards. Like I said, you can do the flyers. You can post flyers at high traffic areas like a grocery store bulletin board or laundromat bulletin board. Use drop cards where you can go into bookstores and slide the drop cards in business opportunity magazines or self-help books or how to make money online books. Um, Whatever you choose, there's other things you can do. You can even put flyers on windows in parking lots, but I think you probably have to get what do they call that? Um, I don't know. I think you have to go to your county commissioner's area and see if you can get some kind of license to do that for a day or so. Check your area. I would say check it in your area and see. Some people even put up uh, signs and put up the website on a sign to do offline marketing for people to notice. But again, check with your area because sometimes signs aren't allowed. It's against the regulations. I know where I live, there's not many signs out because it's against the law. So, but check into your local area. If you want to do online marketing, you can make videos. You can post on social media sites like Pinterest. You can Facebook, Instagram. You can place ads on Craigslist and other classified sites as well. A lot of people say that they've been having success posting on Craigslist, but again, Craigslist used to be free, but now you do have to pay to post on Craigslist. The cost is not crazy. I think it could cost you anywhere from $2 to $5 to post. I know for an opportunity that I was doing a long time ago, I used Craigslist and I did get a lot of leads. I'm not gonna kid you guys. I got a lot of leads. I got a lot of leads. So, um, that could be another way that you can also market online. If you have the experience, then you can promote your website through paid ads or solo ads. I'm not very good at paid ads. With solo ads, you would actually have to have some kind of script, I think, or some sort, or I forget what they call that. It's some kind of promotional ad that you can put into the solo ads. Sometimes it's even just like a swipe email that you can use. Yeah, yeah, I'm sorry. It is an email that you would use for the solo ads. So basically, solo ads are when you buy so many leads from someone from their email list, and they will send out an email blast to their list. And for those of you who have an email list, you can market to them as well. If that's like I said, those who have been in business, been doing this for many years, they have a great email list that they can market to when they find really good opportunities. And I know sometimes you go online and you was like, wow, um, they got results in 2 weeks. Why haven't I gotten results? Because you're not in the status. You're not where they are. Your business have not been built to where their business has been built to. So it's going to take you time to build your business that way. Then you can be one of those people who can say, oh, well, I got results in 2 weeks. But until then, give yourself enough time to realize that it's going to take time to build it up in order to start seeing results. Okay? No matter what option you choose, be consistent and don't try to do everything. Choose one or two marketing techniques and then master it before moving on to something new. Give yourself time to be successful and the system time to work. Now, you can get started with the Cash Building System Unlimited by mail or online. Just click the link in the description box below to get started. As you can see here, you get leads and you also get your postcards. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys, so much. Have a great day.